Hello, good evening all. Welcome to BISP Solutions. Today we are covering FIMM integration in SAP. So, what is FI and MM? Both are different modules. FI deals with functional transactions, whereas MM is for material management. In FI, we enter transaction without PO, purchase order. Okay, but in real time, we need to follow P2P process. See, this is P2P process, procurement cycle. So, see what we do. First is the first step is determination of requirement. So here what we do, here what material we required for our organization we determine here. Then requisition, next step is to give requisition. Okay, now after requisition, next step is purchase order. After requisition is approved, then only organization create purchase order. After creating purchase order, we place an order with vendor. We select the okay, after purchase order we place an order. Then when we order, then we receive goods. After receiving goods, we get invoice for that. After invoice, after receiving of invoice, we verify whether invoice is correct, whatever we ordered, whatever in our purchase order, or whatever invoice is received from vendor, is it okay or not. Okay, after invoice verification process is, then we record entry, then we do vendor payment. See. See, at the time of goods receipt in FIMM, see, at the time of good receipt, what should be the entry? Entry is inventory account debit to GRIR account. What is GRIR account? Goods receipt and invoice receipt account. We create this account temporary. Okay, because first step is good receipt. It is generally goods, we receive good first and later on we get the invoice for the same. So at the time of good receipt, entry would be done like this: inventory account debit to GRIR account. And when we get the goods, at the time of receiving invoice received, what would be the entry? Entry is we debit GRIR account. GRIR account get debited, and here we create vendor account get debited. So first entry is like this. It is called MIGO in SAP. Generally this is FIMM integration. It is a procurement cycle, so we generally use term MIGO, and at the time of receive of invoice we say MIRO. Okay, then after receiving invoice, after verification, what happened? We do the payment to vendor. Now vendor account debit. At the time of payment, what would be the entry? Then we debit the vendor account debit, and to bank. Okay, so this is basically the step. So see, so for this there are few steps which we need to configure in SAP for FIMM integration. So let's go to the screen. I hope you are clear with this concept. Now go to SAP Easy Access screen. Now first step is to go to SPRO screen, then SAP reference IMG. Okay, then enterprise structure, then definition, then logistics, execution, then define, logistic general. Now define, delete, check, plant. Click on it. So what is plant? A plant is an operational facility within a company code, such as production facility, regional or branch office. So here we need to define a plant. For that we can click on copy. We just copy this, copy from the standard one, or you can create your own as well. So I have already created my plant, so I will show you. (2402). It can be any numeric, alphanumeric or alphabetical. See, I have created 2402 Hyderabad plant for N102. You can give any description to it. I have given this one. Okay, so for this you just click on new entry, then give any unique name here. Sorry. Then give the description, then give language key, country code, city code, and address. Okay, this is the fields which you can fill. See, these are the mandatory fields. Okay, now go back. After defining plant, next step is go back. Yeah. Next, storage location. See, I will show you. First we need to define plant, then we define storage location. Next step is define purchase organization. Then define purchase groups. Okay, then after this step we will assign all these things, okay, to company code. So right now we have defined plant. Now the next step is to define storage location. For defining storage location, we'll go to enterprise structure again, then definition, then instead of logistics, for location we need to go to material management, maintain storage location. So what is storage? First here we need to enter plant, which we created in earlier step. Enter. See, so what is storage location? Storage location is the place where stock is physically kept within a plant. There may be one or more storage location within a plant. So I have created storage location sorry, for my plant 21. Okay, storage for motors. After this, highlight this. Also you can enter address of your storage location. Okay, now go back. See, click on new entry, just define any name to it for your storage location, then give description and then enter address if you want to enter. After this, go back. Now the next step is to define purchase organization. what is purchase organization? Purchase organization is responsible for all the purchasing activities, including the processing of requests for quotations and purchase order. Okay, now purchase organization can be assigned to several company codes if we have a corporate group wide purchasing in that case. Okay, so how to define purchase organization in SAP? Go to again enterprise structure, then definition in section only, maintain purchase organization. Okay, I have maintained purchase organization 2024 in my case. Okay, 2024 and purchasing organization. So click on new entry and you can give any name to it, any 4-digit code. Okay, so in this way we can define purchase organization. Go back. Now the next step is to define purchase group. So what is purchase group? Purchase group is basically a key for a buyer or group of buyers in SAP. It is responsible for the procurement of a material class of management. See, IMG, material management, now this time it is not in enterprise structure, this time it is in material management, then purchasing. Now here create purchase group, create purchasing groups. Sorry. So here in my case it is N2 purchase group for N102. You can define by clicking on new entry, give any key to it. It is basically a key. Purchasing group, it is a key. Okay, now give any description to it. If you have phone number, give phone number, then go back. Okay, also you can delete it. Okay, if you want to delete, you can delete as well from here. Now after, so we have defined all the 4 things: plant, storage location, purchase organization and purchase group. Now the next step is to assign. See, the next step is to assign first plant to company code. For this we go to enterprise structure, then instead of definition go to assignment, then logistics general, then assign plant to company code. See, my company code is plant is 2402. Enter. See, this is my company code N102. This is plant 2402. Okay, how can we assign? Click on new entry, then just give your company code N102, then enter your plant name here. See, okay, it will already automatically fetch name of the plant. It is already assigned, that is why it is showing error. Okay, in this way you can assign it to the company. Now okay, after assigning plant to company code, the next step is assigning purchase organization to company code. For that, go back again in enterprise structure, assignment. Now go to material management, then assign purchase organization to company code. Purchase organization, in my case it is 2024. See, purchase organization, and it is company code. I have assigned purchase organization to company code. Now everything is getting linked after assignment. Now assign purchase organization to plant also. Click here, position, purchase organization. In my case it is 2024. Enter. See, purchase organization. Now plant, my plant is 2402. Sorry. Okay, now go back. See, I have already shown you can get the T codes from here. Additional information, display key, and IMG activity. See, last 4 digit indicate T code for the same. I will show you. See, OX17. Open one more session in the SAP Easy Access. OX17. Enter. You will get the same screen. So okay. Now maintain company code for material management. See, these are few steps which we need to follow to configure the FIMM integration. Okay, sorry. In the IMG screen, go to material management. Material management. See, next step is maintain company code for material management. IMG, then logistics general. Now material master, basic settings. Now maintain company codes for material management. Okay, position, company code is N102. See, here what we need to do, here we are just checking whether current period is open for entry or not. So see, this is my company code N102, this is company name, and fiscal year is 2022, period is 12. Actually this company is maintained for January to December, that is why it is showing 12 here. Okay, fiscal year 2022, and month, it is last month. Okay, also see, it is allow backdate posting and disallow backdate posting. So I have allowed backdate posting. Okay, so yes, 12th month 12th is open for this. So here we need to check this only. After this, save the data and go back. Now, so next step is valuation area. For that, go to IMG screen, then material management, then valuation and account assignment, then sorry, account determination, without wizard. Now here there are valuation class click on valuation class. See, this is valuation class and these are references for it and description for raw material. Okay, 0001 is for say raw material. This is for semi-finished goods. Then for finished goods, trading goods, services, license. So these are predefined in SAP, and this is account category reference. These are given in SAP, predefined in SAP. If we want to create our own, we can also create, but generally we can also use predefined one. Now group together valuation area. Select your valuation area 2402. See, this is my valuation area, and this is company code, company name, this is chart of accounts, and valuation group code. Generally 0001 is used for raw material. As I am maintaining for raw material, we can maintain for raw material, finished goods, trading goods, services, and many more. Okay, so I have maintained 0001 is for raw material. I will show you it. Define valuation class. See, 0001 is for raw material. See, 0001 is for reference for raw material. Also you can see 0002 is for operating supplies. Okay, now this is for services. 6 is for services. This is for non-valuated materials. This is for semi-finished products. This is for finished products, non-stock materials, and many are created by user. So these are standard one in SAP. We can use this. So in my case, I have maintained for raw material. Okay. Now the next step is to set the tolerance limit for price variance. For this, go to IMG screen. Now purchasing, PO, purchase order, set tolerance limit for price variance. See, here we need to maintain a tolerance limit for price variance. See, there are two type of variance, PE and SE. These are standard one in SAP. We can use this one, 0001C. Okay, I have maintained for my company. I will show you. My company is N102. Enter. See, this is for PE. See, it is tolerance key. Here we know. Here we just copy this. Okay, this one is standard PE and SE. It is for price variance purchasing, and this is for maximum cash discount. PE is for purchasing and SE for maximum cash discount. So I have maintained this for my company. See, this is tolerance key PE. This is my company code, and this is amount, and this is the limit. You can keep as it is and save. You can also create new entry. Sorry. You can just change your company code. It will automatically fetch amount in INR. If you are, it is automatically fetch your currency, whatever currency you have maintained for your company. And this is basically the value. If you want to change, you can change the tolerance limit and value. So this is lower limit in value, upper limit in value. This is percentage tolerance limit, and there is percentage in tolerance limit. Same for SE. See, you just copy and change the figure if you want to, and change your company code. Okay. Now IMG material management. Now we are defining tolerance group. I will show you now. Inventory management and physical inventory, then goods receipt, then set tolerance group OMCU. See here this 00001 is standard key in standard one is in SAP standard company code C0001, B1, B2 and VP. Order price quantity variance, this is also for quantity variance, and this is for moving price variance. See, just click on it. See, I have maintained for my company, I will show you. And 102, enter. See, B1, and again this is also a tolerance limit. Okay, tolerance limit. See, here value is not given, only percentage is given. Now VP. So you can maintain tolerances according to as per your requirement. Okay, now after tolerance, these are predefined steps which we need to follow. Okay, now parameters for invoice verification. For that, go back. Material management, then logistics invoice verification. Now invoice verification, in background define automatic status change. And 102 sorry. See, here after invoice, here we just need to check. See, set correct invoice to completed. So just check here, save and go back. Now maintain plant parameter for inventory management and physical inventory. For that, again material management, under material management, inventory management and physical inventory. Now plant parameters. Plant 2402. Nothing, only here is only the information. Here just we enter the plant parameters. This is the plant and this is the description for the plant. Now if you want to maintain taxes, then you can also maintain. I will show you IMG. Now material management and logistics, invoice verification, incoming invoice, maintain default values for tax codes. Tax default in invoice verification. So N102, it is only your company name and description for your company. So after this, go back. Now next step is define attributes for material type. For that, we need to go to logistics, logistics general. Now basic settings, define attribute for, no, this is not, OMS2, this is not the correct one. Basic settings, OMS2 is the decode for it. Yeah, material types, and define attribute for material types. Now see, these are the material types. Some are predefined by SAP. I will show you. First, see, HAVA, enter. HAVA is for trading goods. Field reference, it is HAVA, and material type is ROH. Here it is mandatory to assign, give a tick on external number assignment. Okay, then there is special material types information. Sorry. Now here internal external purchase order. External purchase order, see, external purchase order allowed, but warning issued. Okay, in the same way, internal purchase order, no internal purchase order allowed. So these are predefined. I am not changing anything in it. sorry. Now valuation, price control. So price, standard price and moving average price. So generally it is standard price, on what price you want to calculate. Now account reference category 0005. 0005 is for reference for trading good, as this is HAVA is for trading good and reference is 0005 for trading goods. Okay, now quantity value updating, same by valuation area, in all valuation areas, no valuation area, so by valuation area. Now valuation area, material type, it is general material type. Yeah, display material, and okay. Valuation area, ROH, next is ROH1 standard. See, enter this. Field status is ROH, then external is assigned. Product type is 1, that is material, as it is for material. Now external purchase order, yeah, it is allowed. 2 is for external purchase order allowed, and internal purchase is not allowed. And this is also for standard. Account reference, should be like raw material. I think someone has changed this. This is the standard category. Save. Now after this, as I have selected this one only for my company, I am maintaining raw material, so click on position, valuation area 2402 in my case. See, here you have to tick on quantity updating and value wise updating. Okay. Go back, go back. Now maintain tolerance for OMR6. See, I am opening one more screen. OMR6, enter. See, it is also one tolerance limit we have to maintain under OMR6. OMR6 is a T code and 102 is my company code. Now here we have to maintain tolerances for AN and ST. Here amount for item without order reference and date variance. Click on it. See, you no need to do anything, just copy from the standard 0001. Just copy this and just change the company code here and enter. It will automatically pick the currency. Okay, now go back. Go back. Now next step is to create material. We can create material by going to MM01 is T code for creating material. Now my company is not Nana Motors, right? So this is automotive. Now this is ROH1 standard in my case. You can also select trading goods, FERT for finished goods, services, many more, which you have maintained for your company. So I have maintained for raw material, so I am selecting this one, and it is automotive industry sector. Now enter. From here you have to select such fields and fill the data accordingly. Accounting data I want. Okay, now description 6682. Okay, give description. Say vehicle parts for N102. N102. Now base unit of measure, select this. You can select the base method, whether it is centimeter, cubic centimeter, square, crate, case, each, bag, dozen. In my case it is each. Material group. I have created this one. Now next step, sorry. Now description, other data, environment, segmentation, no. each, order unit, material group, purchase order text, plant data, storage, sorry, plant data 2, warehouse. See, plant, here we need to give the plant information. In my case it is 2402. Warehouse number, as I have not created, I am giving just this one. Storage type is not mandatory, and OK. Accounting one, other accounting, say this is automatically fetching each. Ledger is OL, company code, currency, legal. If you want to enter standard price, you can enter here also, or you can enter in purchase order as well. Per unit price, so I am not giving price here. Valuation class, enter. Now save. 6682. Okay. Now after creating material, we need to create one vendor. For that, open one more session. Go to BP, enter. Now organization, from here it is N1. This is vendor group for my company. Now, title is company, name, IRM Limited, search term, IRM Limited, street 1124, 5, postal code 462001, city Bhopal, country India, and then enter, save. Now extend this business partner role to purchasing group. See, now we are creating a vendor for purchasing group. So for that, code is FLVN 01, FLVN 01. See, this is purchasing. When we create vendor for FI, then here we saw company code. Now we are creating for PO based invoice, so this is purchasing. Now click on purchasing, give purchase organization here 2024, enter. See, it is automatically fetching. Now order currency is INR and payment terms, payable immediately, due net, enter and save. Standard address with error. English. Save. Now ledger creation. For that, go to FS00, select company N102. Okay, now see, I have created there are two accounts required. First is inventory. See, RM inventory. It is a balance sheet item, current assets. Short text is inventory account. Balance in currency. Now post automatically only, and this is field status group is material account and post automatically. So this is inventory account. After inventory, there is GRIR account. For GRIR account, it is a balance sheet item as only. GRIR account, clearing account basically, or liability account. So it is clearing account. Say GRIR account, balance sheet, clearing, and under control tab, it should be under open item management. Yeah, this is GRIR account. Now under control data, balances in local currency and open item management, and here goods invoice received clearing account. Okay. Also one vendor account, right? For vendor account, when 139, it is say IRM limited. Copy and paste. Control data, it should be a recon account. Sort key, and field status variant is reconciliation account. Sorry. After this, save this. We have created this. Okay, also I have one more vendor, that is Akriti Limited. So the next step is to assign GL account. For that, go to OBYC. It is a T code. OBYC, enter. Now there are some keys. BSX inventory posting. BSX is for inventory posting. N102 is my company. See, this is valuation modifier. I have kept 0001 for raw material, and this is valuation class for raw material 3000, and this is 1285. I will show you. I have created inventory 1285. This is my raw material inventory account. So here I assign inventory account under BSX transaction code. Go back. Now the next key is WRX for GRIR account. WRX for GRIR account. See, this is again valuation modifier. Now this is valuation class. This is 0001 is for raw material. Okay, now valuation class is 3000 for raw material, and this is account. 1171 is a vendor account. No, 1171 is GRIR account, clearing account. Under clearing account, GRIR account 1171. See, here I assign 1171. So we have assigned under VRX account, GRIR account, and under BSX we assign inventory account. See, this is BSX key, inventory posting. So sorry. So we are done with configurations. Now also we have created material. Now we create PO. For creating PO, T code is ME21N. Enter. From here you can select vendor. See, I am doing posting in document date would be say 1/12/2022. Vendor, select vendor. I have a vendor account, Akriti Limited. I am choosing this one, Akriti Limited. So select Akriti Limited from here. Now give the material here. Right now we created 6682, or you can search from here 6682. 6682 vehicle parts. Enter. See, this is the item code, this is material, this is short text, PO quantity, say 5 quantity. Now delivery date, say 01/12/2022. Net price say 1000. For each currency is INR. Each material group is plant. In my case, plant is 2402. Storage location is 21. Now okay, enter purchase organization. Yes, purchase organization is 2024. Purchase group is N2. Purchase group N102. Enter. Here purchase order date is in past. Enter. Now from here you can check material group. Now quantity 5. Delivery schedule. Sorry. Delivery date, start delivery date. Okay, and then delivery, invoice. See here, GR based invoice. So take here. I have not maintained tax code, that is why I have not given here. You can also given here. See, this is 1000 price per unit price into I given 5 quantity, so total value is 5000 rupees. So I think everything is perfect. Let's try to save this document, PO document. Save. See, document is, now copy this number, copy and say paste PO, save. Go back. Now after PO there is MyGo. Okay, now here you have to select good receipt. Now this is purchase order, give paste here purchase order number 3131, right? Yeah, 3131. Document date, so 01/12/2022, 01/12 and 2022, and enter. See, you are it is fetching the details. Say quantity in unit 5, delivery note, say we have received 5 in delivery note, enter. Material, say this is the material quantity, where this is the location, this is the moment type, stock type, this is my plant location, this is storage location, purchase order data, this is the PO number, and partner. So after this, click on item OK, as we have received 5, and then click on check. See, document is OK. Now post. Account determination PS6 and 112 is not possible. Okay, I think I'm getting some error while posting Miro. Miro. So see, nothing. After Miro is completed, you just copy that number, and then third step is first step is document posting, PO order creation, purchase order creation. The next step is MyGo. As we created this PO, then MyGo almost we are done, but there is some error. So after posting this, just save the number of MyGo. Then third step is Miro. Okay, so I will show you it how to entry in Miro. So after posting this entry, you just copy the number of MyGo, and I'm opening one more screen and say Miro. Sorry. See here what you have to do. After posting MyGo, you just enter invoice date here, then amount, and just give PO number here, so that it will fetch the document details. See, this is PO number, but it will not fetch the details because MyGo is not posted into the system. Okay, so after MyGo, only Miro process is there. I have shown you the process how to do. This is just enter the invoice date, then enter the amount. If you enter the purchase order number here, it will fetch all the details here, then just copy the amount. Okay, now after that, just save the entry. Then after Miro, entry will reflect like this. After MyGo, entry will look like this: inventory account debit to GRIR account, as we have integrated this into the system. Then after Miro, entry will look like this: GRIR account get debited and vendor account get credited. And then simple payment entry which we already done in FI, right? It is the same process. So I hope you understand what is FIMM integration, how to configure it into the system. So thank you for listening, thank you for watching, thank you so much. That's all for today.